Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Then, none this fill color. Pick up the stock color. We need another circle and increase this value. Select those and align vertical and horizontally center. Now go to Object, Blend, Make. Take Blend option. Specify steps to preview it, then OK. Now you need line segment tool. Take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Select those lines and group it. Now select line and check rotate tool. Rotate angle 60 degree, preview it, then copy. Adjust those lines perfectly. Select line and check reflect tool. Angle 90 degree, then copy. Now adjust line perfectly. Now select all and go to Object, Expand. Take Shape Builder tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.